Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step through setting up pre-orders on your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to build anticipation for new products, test demand, and even keep sales flowing when items are temporarily out of stock. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to enable pre-orders so your customers can buy in advance, all handled smoothly and automatically by Shopify. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we're going to be working in your Shopify dashboard. You'll want to head over to the settings section. Now, this is where you manage pretty much everything for your store, so take a second to make sure you're in the right spot. Next, go to apps and sales channels. This is the main hub where you can add new functionalities to your Shopify store, sort of like adding helpful tools to your toolbox. From here, select App Store. The App Store is where you'll find thousands of apps, but today, we're interested in one that'll help us set up those pre-orders. Type pre-order into the search bar. You'll see several results, but I recommend choosing Notify Back in Stock Pre-Order. It's a popular choice and makes the process straightforward for beginners and experienced store owners alike. Go ahead and click on it to open up the details page, and then hit that Install button. Depending on your internet speed, this part might take a couple of moments. Don't worry if you see a spinning wheel. Once it's installed, you'll be prompted to check the terms of service. It's always a good idea to glance through these. It's just making sure you know what you're signing up for. If everything looks good to you, click to accept the terms and continue. Now here comes an important part. The app will ask you to select and enable certain features. You'll see options like back-in-stock notifications, but for now, make sure to enable pre-order. In fact, you can enable all features if you're curious, but definitely double-check that pre-orders are toggled on. This is what allows your customers to purchase items that aren't yet available or are coming soon. Think of it as opening the doors before your grand opening to build excitement. After you've enabled the features you want, hit Activate Now. This is like flipping the switch so the app starts working for your store. With the app now set up, let's apply it to your products. Head back to your Shopify menu and go to Products. Find the product you want to enable for pre-order. Maybe it's a new collection or an item that's out of stock, but you want customers to keep buying. Click on the product, and in the Purchase Options section, you'll see the new pre-order feature. Click on that to activate it for this item. And that's it. Your customers can now place pre-orders for this product directly from your store. If you want to enable pre-orders for multiple products, simply repeat this last step. Setting up pre-orders not only helps manage demand, but it keeps your customers engaged while you're getting stock ready or launching something new. It's a powerful tool for growing your business and staying connected with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Got questions about pre-orders or need help with a specific step? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you, and I'm happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your Shopify store.